Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can bulk add users to a group in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight. There are often times when the manager needs to add users in a specific group in Google Workspace. Although Google Admin has the feature to bulk add members in a group, the limitations are the following. Number 1. There are only 50 members displayed on one page. And if the admin needs to select more than 50 members, then he can't. Because if he goes to the second page and selects the other 50 members, those who were selected on the first page will be deselected automatically. Number 2. If the admin is also a member of the same group, then he can go to groups.google.com or navigate to the groups from the top right menu. But here the members per page are only 100. So the admin needs to select and add the members to a group, page by page, which is obviously a hectic job. Let's see how Foresight helps in this case. Here are the 50 test users in the group Marketing Trainees. They have completed their internship and now we will add them to another group Interns have finished. Please note, this is a demo video, that's why we are only taking 50 members. In real cases, we can deal with hundreds of members. Step 1. Log into Foresight with Google Admin account. Step 2. First, we need the CSV list of the users that we want to add to group. So, let's see how to export a users list. Go to the Rule page and click on the New Rule button at the bottom right. Select Manual Trigger and then select List Group Members. In the Group Email field, we will select the group Marketing Trainees. Next, in the Column field, we will only select Member Email and Group Email. Click on Review and enter the rule name. Click Create. As you can see, the rule is created. Click the play icon to trigger the rule. After a few seconds, you will get a confirmation. As you can see, the rule is triggered successfully. From the log page, you can download the CSV file. Open the CSV file. Here you can remove the members' records that you don't want to add to the group. In the demo video, we'll keep all of them. Now let's see how to add the members in that specific group. Step 3. Again, go to the Rule page and click the New Rule button. Step 4. Select the Data Uploaded trigger. Step 5. Click on the Upload box and upload the exported CSV. Wait for the CSV to be parsed. Click Next. Step 6. Select Add Group Members action. Here, select the group we want to add members in the Group Email field and Members Email field as shown in the video. Step 7. Click Review and enter the rule name. Click Create. Step 8. As you can see, the rule is created. Click on the Upload icon and upload the same CSV file once again. Wait for the rule to be triggered. Step 9. After the rule is triggered successfully, you can confirm it from the log page. You can also confirm it from the Google Admin. As you can see, all the 50 members from Marketing Internees are added to Internship Finished group. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well.